In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize your files using Google Drive and Google Docs. This tutorial will walk you through the essential steps so you can easily create, manage, and customize your document folders. Let's start by heading over to Google Drive. Open your browser and type in Google Drive, then log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see a wide array of your files and folders. To create a new folder, simply head over to the upper left corner and click on the bright blue New button. Once you've clicked on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, select New Folder to open a dialog box where you can name your folder. Feel free to get creative with names like Work Projects, School Assignments, or even Recipes. Anything that helps keep you organized and facilitates easy navigation later on. Once you've decided on a name, hit create, and just like that, you've got a brand new folder in your Google Drive. Now let's move on to organizing your Google Docs. There are a couple of ways to do this depending on your preference. First, you can go back to Google Drive, locate your desired Google Doc, and simply drag it into the newly created folder. This is a quick and easy way to start organizing your documents directly from your Drive interface. Alternatively, you can manage it from within the Google Doc itself. Open the doc you wish to move, and at the top of the page, look for the small folder icon next to the document's title. Clicking on this icon presents you with options to relocate your document into an existing folder. If you'd rather, you also have the option to create a new folder at this stage. Once you choose the appropriate folder, click Move to finalize the document's new home. For an extra touch of organization, let's move back to Google Drive. Right-click on any folder and a context menu will appear. Select Organize, followed by Change Color. This allows you to assign a unique color designation to each folder. For example, you might opt for blue to signify work-related folders, or green for personal documents. Assigning colors is a brilliant way to visually categorize your folders, making navigation faster and more intuitive. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized Google Drive space and a seamless workflow with your Google Docs. Happy organizing!